Hey everybody, how's it going? So we're going to do a quick unbagging of a item I got from Amazon. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so we're just going to quickly unbag this guy real quick. I had already opened it. It is nice that it does have tape that you can reseal this bag if need be. I usually keep bags like this. The bag is empty. So, I actually ordered, previous video, I had let you guys know that I ordered 2 of these 3-packs, 3 cords each. It's a 3-pack, 8-inch adapter cords. It says sold as a set. You can get these. 3-pack is $10. 2 3-packs was $16, and 3 3-packs was $23. And I ordered both. So that guy right there is the other one right there. And I showed in a previous video these cables, which I use them for like stuff like this right here. You know, just need a short little extension because, you know, the plug that you're plugging into plugs in kind of crooked or cattywampus. So those come in handy, especially if you have more than one on a outlet strip. So as an example, that black one right there is the same. It's at an angle while it's plugged in. So that's what I use them for. You can use them a lot for the, you know, if you have any kind of plug, a laptop cable, it's got a transformer at the end. You know, some of the old, a lot of the older accessories and older plugs, they didn't have just an outlet plug. They were actually a transformer built into the plug. And when you try to plug those into power strips, they basically end up, you know, robbing you of 3 or 4 outlets to begin with. So these are basically just for that purpose. Total of 9 Coleman 6991-8-inch Power S cords. I used to buy these individually at Walmart. Comes with a green, white, and an orange. I liked them when I was buying them at Walmart. Problem is Walmart no longer carries them, I guess. I guess they haven't carried them in a while, which is irritating. So you basically get 1 of each color. So I bought 3 3-packs for 40-something bucks. So it ends up being you get 6 orange, 6 white, 6 green. Just a quick video. 3-pack allows use of every outlet, which is exactly what I was referring to when you have the transformer plugs, you know, where they block 1 or 2 outlets at a time. That's what these are good for. I use them specifically for that. So basically it allows you to just extend the transformer brick away from the outlet plug so you can use the rest of the outlets with the adapter cords. That's basically what they're used for. Pop one of these out. I just stabbed myself with this. So, they're just little short extension cords. It's exactly what I showed in the first video, which was the video before this one, where I showed this plugged into my dusty TV stand. It was plugged into an outlet strip under my TV stand. They're good cords. I like these. I've been searching for these at every Walmart I've gone to for the last, I don't know, 9 months or so. Never found them, so I'm like, you know what, maybe I'll search for 8-inch extension online. And lo and behold, I actually found them. So I grabbed what they had. But, you know, they're good for lots of things. You know, it prevents blocked outlets. Basically just showing it. These are the little transformer bricks is what I'm talking about. Is most older plugs, if they have the brick at the end, it's actually a transformer. And some of them are not just transformers, but they're also the surge protector and everything inside the actual outlet plug. But they can be cumbersome trying to plug them into an extension cord and stuff like that. So, you know, that's what I grabbed them for. Nothing hugely special about them. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I do have an Ulsa Tools link at the top of the description below that will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order from ulsatools.com. If you do use it, I do very much appreciate it. It does save me a little money when I purchase tools for the channel for you guys. Also, all affiliate links are commission links. If you do use them, I do get a commission cut. Doesn't cost you anything extra at all if you do use them. You click on one of my links, just shop like normal. You don't even have to buy what's specifically on my link. You can click on my link, completely X-nay what's on my link, find something else you want to buy, purchase it, and I will get a small commission from it. It's just basically a thank you commission from Amazon or Acme Tools or whoever it is, stating that, hey, you sent us a customer, we appreciate it. That's all they are. Commission links do not cost you anything extra on your purchase. It's absolutely free for you. I get paid by the company, not by what you purchase or anything like that. So I do appreciate it if you guys do use the links. Heads up, because I want to thank all of the subscribers and people that watch and like, because I got paid by YouTube, and you guys watching the channel and me getting paid by YouTube for the content and everything, as well as the people using the affiliate links, has helped me purchase without me having to pay for it. YouTube and the affiliate links technically purchased the tools for the channel, so zero out of cost for me. The channel paid for the tools. It's very much appreciated for you guys that are watching, and you guys get to see that stuff soon. I'm waiting for it to ship. It's been like 6-7 days. I'm still waiting for it to ship. But some Milwaukee tools coming to the channel that the channel paid for, which is awesome. It was always a goal of mine to get the channel to pay for the tools, and I have to thank you guys for that. So thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope you guys come stop by the channel again. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!